guys, thanks for joining me for another video. My name is Janie from Janie Luco Arts, and let me show you what I'm gonna use today. So I'm gonna use the gold copper for art supply. It's a really metallic color. It's really nice. I'm gonna use the 24 karat gold metallic from Art Supply. It's another shimmery color, and we're gonna do today a black canvas with a little bit colors. I'm gonna mix with the pistachio from the Tabulosa, and it's just to give a little bit of color because I don't want to get the thing plain, and I think this kind of metallic green, light green, it's gonna look really good on the painting. And the Titanic white from Artisa that I always use. We're gonna use black canvas, and it's gonna be nice. I think it's perfect the way that it is, and I'm not gonna touch it. So if you guys like it, subscribe to my channel and touch the bell to don't miss any other video. Have a great painting day and see you guys to the next one. Bye.